friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asus Expert Center PN64 tiny desktop PC. So friend, Asus released the Expert Center PN64 tiny desktop PC with either a 12th generation Intel Core processor or AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPU. And friend, both will support 4K quad or 8K ultra high resolution displays and have two-way AI noise cancellation and smart fan management. And friend, it supports USB power delivery and it's a USB Type-C LCD power and video signals can be handled with a single cable. And friend, the specification are memory is DDR5 4800 SODIMM/2, storage is SATA 3.0 6 Gbps into 1 M.2 2280 PCI Express 4.0 into 4:1 and the network support Gigabyte 2.5 Gigabit LAN Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 and friend CPU Ryzen 7 5900H into X, memory DDR4 3200 SODIMM/2, storage SATA 3.0 into 1 M.2 2280 PCI Express 3.0 into 4:1 M.2 2280 PCI Express 3.0 into 2:1 network 2.5 Gigabit LAN Wi-Fi 6 wireless LAN Bluetooth 5.2 and when both are 120 into 130 into 58 mm 0.9 liters and 1 kg and friend Windows 11 is supported. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.